Good morning, everybody. How are you? Orlando here. It's 8 a.m., 8:03. I'm having myself a nice coffee. And yeah, I'm going to go through my weekly results. Now, I ended up my week in profits, and I am 26% of the way there to my 20K goal to get funded $2.4 million. Yes. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you my all my trades, all my data, my win to loss ratio, and I'm going to focus on this video on losses because you need to understand that losses are part of the game. So three, four losses in a row, that doesn't mean you're a bad trader. I mean, you can have a losing trading day and still be a good trading day. It's all about your decision making process, right? If you're following your trading plan, if you're following your trading decisions, you are not reacting to the market, not trading with emotions, and you lost the trade. It doesn't matter. That's part of the game. As long as you stick with your decision making process, it is a good trading day. So let me take this a little smaller, the overall window. And, this is my Apex, one of my eight Apex accounts. If you can see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8 300K evaluation accounts. I can go from one to the others. This is the 11. This is the 10. All same profits. Give or take $100, right? This is just slippage. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here to the account reports panel. And today is not a trading day, so there's no data. As you can see here, no data. Now, I'm going to choose to go on a custom range, right? And today is Saturday the 6th, so I'm going to start on Sunday the 30th, right? So that's going to be Sunday the 30th on June until today, right? So, I don't know. Hold on. Custom date from custom range. I'm sorry about that. So Sunday the 30th, right? To June 6th. There you go. Oh, there you go. So this is my report for last week, right? From June the 30th to July Saturday the 6th, which is today, right? Which is not a trading day. So number of trade 31. Now remember that this platform, and I think all platforms consider a trade whenever you close one. So if I open, let's say, 22 micro contracts on gold long, and I close five first, scaling out of my trade, that would be considered one trade. But I still have another 17 contracts, and if price continues to go in my direction, and I close another 10, that's another trade, right? So it doesn't mean that I placed 31 trades. That means that I took 31 trades out, which is fine, right? Number of contracts, 212 contracts overall. So that's not a ton of contracts traded. Remember that I trade micro contracts on gold. So my positions on gold may vary from 15 micros to 25 micros, 30 micros. So average trade, let's focus on the losses, right? So number of losing trades, 15. Number of winning trades, 16. But the total loss was $3,500 and the total win was $5,200. So that's a big difference between the amount of money that I lost, which with the amount of money that I won. And that's what I want to focus on, right? My winning ratio is not that great. It's you can see it here. It's 51.6%. I won just 51.6% of my trades, and I lost 48%. Let's call it 52-48. So let's call it a 50-50 win to, a win ratio. And you know what? I ended up making money. So here's my P&L history, right? I started the week with a bang, then I drew down because drawdowns are part of the game, right? Really doesn't matter if I had a 1, 2, 3, 4 losing trades in a row, if I follow and stick to my trading plan, I'm going to make money in the long term, right? It doesn't matter. I mean, you need not to be results oriented in this game because if you are results oriented, you are never going to make money, right? And I know that sounds a little bit counterintuitive, but it is what it is. If you focus on the results of the last to four trades, you're never going to make money because you're going to start like tweaking what you did in the last 3 to 4 trades. And the sample size is just not big enough for you to have an accurate representation of the long term profitability of your trading system. So that's why you need not to be results oriented. And you know what? I am not. And as you can see, I came out of my drawdown with a bang and ended up above, my all-time highs equity chart. So the P&L distribution is quite nice, right? And don't mind this. This is the overall loss breakdown. That means that on my overall losing trade, just 5.91% of those losses were commissions, which is fine because if commissions were a big part of this pie chart, that'll mean that I would be overtrading my account. And finally, let's go through, this history chart. And as you can see, right, my winning trades are just about $900 here, 160, 723, 570, 350. And my losing trades are very small, right? 68. This 500, I took 1 R. My normal R is 500, right? Dollars, which is what I normally risk on this account because my maximum drawdown on this account is 7K. That means that I have to lose 14 trades in a row to blow that account, which will never happen. So, and I keep my small losses, 243, 131. This one came a little bit higher, but that's okay. Yeah, this is should be on the Nasdaq. Yeah, that was my mistake because I traded a little bigger because I miscalculated my risk on contract size versus the amount of sticks that I was risking. So, but it doesn't matter. I ended up the weekend on the green, and so did my VAPs. Well, the VAP group is where I send all my trades. Everything that I trade, everything that you see here is sent to the VIP group. So I hope I see some of you on the inside and follow my path to those $2.4 million, which will be, I guess, within the month achieved. Thank you for joining me, guys, and the link to join my VIP is below. Cheers.